If you've ever wondered how businesses make smarter decisions using data, you're already thinking about data analysis. In 2026, data analysis is one of the most valuable skills you can learn. Whether you want to work in business, marketing, finance, healthcare, or technology. In this complete beginner's guide, I'll explain what data analysis is, the basic process, and the tools you should start learning. Let's get started. Data analysis is the process of collecting, organizing, cleaning, and interpreting data to discover useful information and support better decision making. Instead of relying on guesses, companies use data to understand customer behavior, measure performance, and identify trends. The first step in any data analysis project is collecting data. This information can come from websites, surveys, sales reports, social media, spreadsheets, databases, mobile apps, or many other sources. The quality of your analysis depends on the quality of the data you collect. Next comes cleaning the data. Real-world data often contains missing values, duplicate records, spelling errors, or inconsistent formatting. Before performing any analysis, it's important to organize and clean the dataset to ensure accurate results. Once your data is clean, you can begin exploring it. Look for patterns, trends, averages, percentages, and unusual values. This stage helps you better understand the information before drawing conclusions or creating reports. Visualization is another important part of data analysis. Charts, graphs, dashboards, and tables make complex information easier to understand. A well-designed chart can often communicate insights much faster than a spreadsheet filled with numbers. Several beginner-friendly tools are commonly used for data analysis. Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets are excellent starting points for organizing and analyzing data. As your skills improve, you can learn SQL for working with databases, Python for automation and advanced analysis, and visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is focusing only on the software. The real goal of data analysis isn't learning buttons and menus. It's learning how to ask the right questions and interpret the results to solve real problems. Another important skill is communicating your findings. A good data analyst doesn't just create charts. They explain what the data means and help others make informed decisions based on the results. The best way to improve your skills is through practice. Work with real data sets, build simple dashboards, analyze trends, and complete small projects. Every project helps you become more confident and develop practical experience. So, is data analysis worth learning in 2026? Absolutely. As organizations continue generating more data every year, professionals who can analyze and explain that information remain in high demand. Whether you're starting a new career or improving your current skills, data analysis is an excellent investment for the future. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which data analysis tool you're planning to learn first.